Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by to see what I got in my latest trunk club. If you're new to my channel, I just want to welcome you, and I sure hope that you will subscribe and join me for another video. My videos are all about clothing. I love to try on clothing, and I buy lots of clothing as well. I am so excited to get into my trunk club because my trunk clubs have been really very successful these past few boxes, and I can't wait to see what my stylist included. With Trunk Club, my stylist will send me a preview, and it's pretty awesome because she'll send a preview of what she wants to send me, and I can accept it or decline it, but I can also change color options and things like that. With Trunk Club, there is a $25 styling fee, but that fee is applied towards anything that you keep in your box. And if you have a Nordstrom's credit card, there's no styling fee at all. So you can try a trunk, $0, risk-free. You can send everything back if you don't like it, and postage is free with Trunk Club. To get started with Trunk Club, you go online and you fill out a style profile. You're paired with a stylist who will then contact you. And you'll have a nice chat, and then she will curate a box for you, and sometimes they send up to 12 items in a trunk. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff to try on, but I like that because I normally find at least one piece, sometimes 6 or 7 pieces that I want to keep. Oh, warning, everything is from Nordstrom's. So this is not a discount box. This box has Nordstrom's prices attached to it. But you guys, you watch my outfit diaries, so you see how often I reach for the pieces that I get from my Trunk Club and Nordstrom's. And I think cost per wear, this is a great value. I have left everything you need to know about Trunk Club in the description bar below. I have also left my referral link. If you would like to use it, I would love that. You will get paired with my stylist, Lashana, and I am also given a little credit if you use my referral link. And I just want to give a big shout out to everyone that has used my referral link. You guys, you support the Kelly Shaffner channel by using my link. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. Let's get into this trunk. I've tried everything on, and I will show you each piece and give you my thoughts at the same time because there's a lot of pieces in this trunk. I do have an invoice so I can share the prices with you as well. Trunk Club includes a label. I'll put this label right on the box, and I can schedule a pickup with my UPS, or I can drop this off at the UPS store. They also give you tape to tape up your box. You've got everything you need with Trunk Club. The first thing that I tried on and I wore throughout the entire try-on was a bra. This is the Wacoal red carpet convertible bra. It can be worn as a strapless bra, but it's also a convertible. It can be worn halter style, racerback style. This is $68. I really needed a better strapless bra, so I asked her to include this. This one has the sticky on both the top of the cup and the bottom, and look at this band. I'm really impressed that the band has actually 4 hook and eye closures, so there is some added support there. I was impressed with this bra. I am going to purchase it. I did not wear it as a strapless bra, but I need a replacement. The one I have right now does not offer enough support. So in my bra review, you will get more information about the Wacoal red carpet convertible bra. I've heard great reviews on this bra, so I am excited to actually wear it out of my house and wear it with some off the shoulder and cold shoulder style. So I'll let you know on this one. I am very happy that my stylist sent me some colored pants to try. These are the Vince Camuto. They are a side zip cotton blend pants. And these are in the color Coral Sunset. So there we go, the Pantone color of the year. She did size up in these for me, so I'm assuming that they might run small. She sent these in a size 10, and 8 is my normal size. I thought that they fit nicely through the legs, but they were really way too much fabric in the waistband, and then of course that transferred into the crotch area. I think these pockets are very well done. I always enjoy a side zip pant because it seems to flatten out the tummy area, although, yeah, I need something to flatten out my tummy right now because I'm not sticking to my diet. So these are a nice cotton blend pant. They're about 55% cotton, and they feel very, very nice quality. They're Vince Camuto, and I tend to really like Vince Camuto. These do have the slash pockets in the front and the welt pockets in the back, and I didn't mind them. I just don't think these were a perfect fit for me. At $79, I am not going to add these to my wardrobe. The next slacks are also by Vince Camuto, and these ones are called the Parisian crepe trousers. Now these she sized down to a size 6, and I think these were too small for me, but these are a fabulous, really nice crepe trouser. I wish that these had worked for me. You'll see in the try on that I styled this with a black and white sweater that I bought in a previous trunk, and also some Sam Edelman pumps that I received in a previous trunk. That's the beauty of Trunk Club. She will offer me styling suggestions based on the pieces I've already purchased from my Trunk Club. Now, I just think that these pants are a miss. They're on sale too. These are regular $99. And these are on sale for $69 right now, but you can see the problem I normally have with these slash pockets was pow in your face with these pants. It might have been better had they been my true size, but had they gone up in size, it would have been too big in the waist. I do have plenty of room in the size 6 in the waistband. These do have the crease down the front, and they are clean hem, straight leg. These feel very, very nice on. I don't know about the color. And what did you think about this color paired with black and white? I think it was interesting. It was fun to try. Lavender is not a color that I reach for very often. I don't know if this is the best color for me. I like the way that this fabric feels, but unfortunately, this was a very poor fit for me. With the next couple blouses I'm going to show you, I kind of scratched my head when I saw them in my preview for my trunk, but I thought, you know what, I'm going to open my mind and try on what my stylist thinks will look good on me or that I might enjoy. But you know what, I was right. Okay, these are both by the brand Boden. This is the Boden blouse. It's called the Anya blouse, and yeah, there's a lot of ruffles here. We do have the ruffled yoke and the ruffled neckline. And this is very, very sheer, but aren't the colors beautiful in this? There is a gathered cuff there, and there's also a cloth-covered button, and that's very well done, but these are actually the loop buttons, and those are hard for me to manipulate. Just keeping it real here, I know. Anyway, this is super sheer, but there is a camisole that's included, and this is removable. So I kind of like a 2-in-1, but this one is $110. It is a true button up. It has a boho vibe to it, but I felt very Laura Ingalls in it. I'm not real crazy about these ruffled yokes on the body, and yeah, this isn't for me. It's $110. If I'm going to spend $110 on a blouse, I have to be absolutely crazy about it. So this one's going back. And this is the Boden Betsy print floral blouse, and this one is only $98. I think it was a terrible fit on me. I just felt very uncomfortable with it. Now, again, we do have the ruffling at the neckline, and there is also the ties there, which I tied because, I don't know, I just wanted to get the full effect. Again, we have the yoke. You see that ruffle on the yoke there and that keyhole in the front. And then we have the ruffled yoke on the back and the elasticized cuff. I like the fabric. I do like the print on this. This is super wrinkly. It came to me super wrinkly. I don't steam any of the clothing until I decide to purchase it. This just looks like an ironing nightmare, and I don't like it. I don't like this one. If you like it, I'm going to link it below so you can order it for yourself, but I'm sending this one back. Okay, next up is a Chelsea 28 wrap tank top. This one is in the color Pink Virtue, and I was so excited for this blouse. But once I got it on, again, I feel like I'm having fit issues here. This is not a real wrap, and I feel like it's very sheer, but I do feel like it was high enough up that I didn't feel overexposed. It has to be worn with a cami. Now, there is a button detail on the side, and again, we have those looped buttons, and one of the buttons fell off immediately, but that creates an asymmetrical hemline, which I thought was pretty cool. They did include extra buttons, so I can sew that button back on if I decide to keep this one. It's $59, and once I got it on, I just wasn't completely sold on the way that this looks. It is that V-neck surplice top. I don't know. Please let me know your thoughts on this one. I haven't seen the video yet. I just felt a little bit uncomfortable in this top. So at $59, I'm leaning towards sending this one back. Now we're getting into the clothing that I really like. Okay, this is, you guys already know why I like this. This is by East Order, and this is the Sage Henley top. And this has got a 3-button placket, and that is a tortoiseshell button. It also has a button detail on the side there. This is so thin, very, very thin. This is 100% polyester, and the cost on this one is $109. I don't think I would hesitate in purchasing this one. I don't know, $109 is a lot of money. It's a little short. I feel like it's a little cropped, and for that price, I don't know. I like this one. Now, I'm not sure about the buttons, so I had it all the way unbuttoned, and how would you wear it? Would you wear it just the top one unbuttoned, buttoned all the way up? I love this color. The color is mango, and I think it's a lovely color. You can tell the quality in this blouse. I can feel it. I love it. $109. That's too much, isn't it? That's too much for a Henley. Ugh. Next up, we have white denim, and yeah, white always blows out the camera. You know how much I hate to try on white denim for you. I have such a difficult time with it. But I did agree to let her send these because these are Madewell, and these are the 10-inch high-rise Madewell jeans. They do have that really nice button front fly, and they also have a distressed frayed step hem. So I love that. And she sent these in my true size, a size 8, and I feel like they're too tight. I was pretty impressed with them, and I wore them throughout the entire try-on to see if they would loosen up, if they would feel better, and they feel marvelous. I just don't care for the way my legs look in these pants. It just looks like the fabric is pulling and the pants are too small for me. Again, I'm going to have the problem if I size up in these, the waist is going to be too big and I am going to have to alter them. The white denim struggle is real. Last year, I searched and searched for white denim, and I did find some. I did have to have them altered. I made an entire video about it, and I'm going to link it for you at the end of the video so you can see my solution to white denim. Now, I was excited about these because I like Madewell, and the normal price on these is $135. Normal for Madewell, totally worth it. But now these are on sale for $114. But this particular pair actually resembles the Hudson white denim that I already own with the button front fly. And for that reason, I'm going to send these back. Had they been a perfect fit, I would have kept them just because I love Madewell denim. But yeah, these are going back, and I think they're fabulous. You guys know I love my Halogen sweaters, and my stylist included one. This one is a cardigan, and this is the longline cardigan. And these Halogen longline cardigans are a staple of mine. I have many. I do not have any with a print or a stripe. All of my cardigans are solid from Halogen, so I really like this one. Now, it is a darker color. This one has black, navy, coral and white. Now, the website says the color on this one is red and black, but isn't that coral? I think it reads coral. I think I could wear this with my new coral pants and through the summer because it's a really nice, lightweight fabric. This is $68, par for the course unless you're getting it on sale. Now, is this too winter looking? Can I wear this in the summer? I know I can. I just think it looks a little bit dark and I love it. I really would like to keep it. This is $68. I love it. Do you love it? Let me know. I can't wait to hear your comments on this one. Okay, we have a jacket, and this is by the brand Kensie. This is the crepe blouson jacket, and it is hooded. And this is 100% polyester. This is in the color sand. This is a nice jacket. It feels, although it's a lightweight jacket, it has some substance to it. Now look at the hardware. I am so impressed by all of the hardware. Let me show you. This does button and zip. Look at this zipper. It is so very nice. This jacket is lined as well. And look at these fabulous pockets. They're big and oversized. I absolutely love these. Now, the hood does zip off of this, and I just think this is fabulous. Guys, does this look like a grandpa jacket? I am thinking that this style of jacket must be trending right now because we are seeing more and more of them. I actually like this one better than the one I tried earlier this week. This one is $98, and I think that's a fair price, but I want to show you something if I can. Can you see this? Let me see. It looks like there's some numbers drawn on here, and I don't want that. Not for $98. This could be a piece that I just need to exchange. If you guys like this, I am going to purchase this. This is a nice, high quality jacket. It can be worn where I live most of the year. It's a fabulous, versatile color. I don't know. Am I fooling myself? I like it. I don't like the writing on the jacket. That's strange. But with Trunk Club, sometimes they are actually pulling the clothing from Nordstrom stores. That is so slight and subtle. I'm sure that they missed it when they packaged this. But let me know your thoughts on this Kensie jacket. I always save the best for last, and it just turns out to be some shoes. These are Vans. These are the classic slip-on, which I love. Now, if you see, there's a fun floral bloom print on top of the pink and white checkerboard, and that's kind of classic, the checkerboard. These are fabulous. I own many pairs of Vans. They have that nice big white sole on them, a great grip if you wanted to skateboard. I hear these are great skateboarding shoes, but more than that, these are a very comfortable shoe. That's why I wear Vans, and I feel like everyone else is trying to replicate this. I have other slip-on tennis shoes in this same style, but no one does it as good as Vans. And these Vans are $55. I think they are a fun print that I will wear through spring and summer. Let's face it, I'll wear this probably all year round. I just had a girlfriend call me the other day, and she said she was in the market for some slip-on tennis shoes, and I told her, hands down, get the Vans. Start with Vans and then venture out. So yeah, I'm keeping the Vans. So there you have it, everything that I received in my Trunk Club, and I am very pleased. I'm so excited to have the Van tennis shoes and also to try out the Wacoal red carpet convertible bra. I'm not sure about the cardigan and about the jacket. I would like to keep both. I will reserve judgment until I hear from you. I always enjoy your comments, so thank you very much for your feedback. Could I get you to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it? You help me so much when you rank my videos. I have more videos coming, more clothes to share with you, so make sure you're subscribed and tap that bell so you can be one of the first to check out my videos. Until we meet again, blessings to you.